Hi children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Children, today we are going to see mathematics and the new exercise 5.5. In the last class we learned exercise 5.4, isn't it children? Today we are going to see exercise 5.5. Complete each factor tree. First we are going to see children, it's given in page number 82. It's given in page number 82. If you are all are having book, I think so, all take a book and you have to do this in the book itself. No need to do in the notebook. Okay children, you can do it in the book itself. Complete each factor tree. So yes, first they have given 16. So if 16 goes in what table children? See here they have given 8. So if you multiply, if you say the 8 tables means what will come? 8 2s are 16. Isn't it children? 8 2s are 16. 8 2s are 16. Okay. Now see 8, see here 8 is given, they have splitted into, this is called factor tree. Okay children, so here 4 they have given. If you tell the 4 tables, in what table it comes 8 children? 4 1 is 4, 4 2s are 8, again 2, again 2. These all are prime numbers. Okay children, only the prime numbers should come here. And here again 4 they have splitted. And see, so 4 goes in what table children? 2 2s are 4, isn't it children? 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Understood children? Yes, see all prime numbers. These are prime numbers. I will teach you what are the prime numbers before going to the next topic. Okay children? And now here 36 they have given. 36 they have given and they have given 6 tables, isn't it children? 6 tables. If you say the 6th table, what will come children? 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36. And what they have given? See 2 6 is there. So they have splitted here. So we have to say then 3 2s are 6 and here 3 2s are 6. Okay. And see this also prime number, this also prime number. Yes. Okay. Now coming to 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. Easy, isn't it? And coming to the 24, if you say the 2 tables, what goes children? 12 2s are 24. 12 2s are 24 and 12 if you split means what will come children? What will come? 2 6 are 12 and then see it's splitted 2 3s are 6. Okay children, understood? 2 12s are 24, 2 6 are 12 and 2 3s are 6. Okay children, this is called factor tree method. This is called factor tree method. Okay. Okay children, now we'll go to the second one. Find the prime factorization of each number by the factor tree method. See, like this only we are going to do these sums, but by using prime factorization. First we will see what is prime factorization children. See, coming to this one, see, can you see here? First we will see prime and composite numbers. Prime and composite numbers. So prime numbers means, see, you have to compare now. See here they have given 7, 9, 11, 12, 16, 17 they have given. See, number 7 goes in what table children? Only it goes in one table and 7 table. But 9 goes in 1 table, 3 table, 9 table. And 11 goes in only 1 and 11. So 12 goes in 1 table, 2 table, 3 table, 4 table, 6 table and 12 table. And coming to the 16, it goes in 1 table, 2 table, 4 table, 8 table and 16 table. And coming to the 17, 1 and 17. Only these two goes. So, see, you have learned that 1 is a factor of every number. See, 1 goes in factor of every number. For all the numbers, 1 goes, isn't it? And every number is a factor of itself. Every number is a factor of itself. If it goes in 1 means, see here, 1 it goes means the number itself it goes again, isn't it? So, this is every number is a factor of itself. So see, 7, 11 and 17 have only two factors. What are the factors, children? 1 and the number itself. 1 and the number itself. Such numbers are called prime numbers. Understood, children? See, likewise, see 7, 11 and 17. It goes what? It goes in 1 and the number itself. That numbers are called prime numbers. So what are the prime numbers, children? See, 7, 11, 17. Likewise, and see, numbers that have more than two factors are called composite numbers. So what is called composite numbers? The numbers that have more than two factors means what? 9, 12, 16. Okay, likewise means they call it as composite numbers. So in this page also, see, they have given, see, the what are the continue till all the numbers are either circled or cross out. See, here they have given one thing, cross out 1. If you have take page number 80, you can see cross out 1 as 1 is not a prime number. 1 is not a prime number. Okay, children. So circle 2 means cross out all the multiples of 2. Say they have given 1 to 30. So what are you have to cross out all the multiples of 2 means what will come, children? 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12, 7 2s are 14, 8 2s are 16, 9 2s are 18, 10 2s are 20, 11 2s are 22, 12 2s are 24, 13 2s are 26, like 14 2s are 28 and 15 2s are 30. So that number and all you have to strike out. And then see, cross out all the multiples of 3. So 3 means what? 3 2s are 6. See, likewise they have given the order. What all we have to cross out. Now what is left over, children? See, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. So, see, the numbers which all they have given now, these are called prime numbers. These are called prime numbers. You can take your tables book and you can see. See, 2 goes in, but 2 goes in, see, 1, 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. 2 factors only it goes, isn't it, children? Likewise, 3, see, 1 3 is 3, 3 1 is 3. Like 5, 5 1 5 is 5, 5 1 is 5. More than that it doesn't go. You say the tables, you can find out. Okay, children. So these are the numbers that goes only by 1 and the number itself is called prime factor. So by using these numbers only you have to do the sums. You have to do the sums. So see, find the prime factorization of each number by the factor tree method. So now first one we are going to see 96. So 96 means you have to write like this, and how it goes you have to find out, children. So listen carefully, it is little hard only, but you have to see 96. If you do like this means you have to find out 96 goes in what tables. So what will come? 2 into 48. 48 2s are 96. 48 2s are 96. So this is the prime number. You have to circle it out. Okay, children. And then see 48. So you have to multiply till the number that doesn't gets multiplied. Okay, children. Till that one you have to do. That is called factor tree method. So 48 goes in what, children? 2 2s are 2 into 24. 24 2s are 48. 24 2s are 48. And coming to the 24, what will come, children? See, 2 12s are 24. 2 12s are 24. And again you can multiply this one, isn't it, children? Yes. What will come? 2 6 are 12. And now, and 6 means 2 into 3. See, now this one you can't extend, that's all. This is the final one, isn't it? You can't multiply this for a prime number. See, prime number it say. So see, these all prime numbers, 2 2 2 2 2 into 3. So what's the answer, children? So you have to write the answer. The prime factorization of 96. So what are the prime factorization, children? See, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 and 3. So what you have to write, children? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So when you multiply, you will get 96. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 18 2s are. So if you do feel hard means 80 2s are like this you can put. So what will come? 36 will come. 36 into 3, children. 36. 1 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Yes, sorry children, 16, isn't it? I have put 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 3s are 32 into 3, what will come, children? 96. Okay, 16 2s are means what will come? 32 will come. Okay, so if you multiply means 96 will come. So when you multiply these factorization, you will get the answer. You will get the answer 96. So the sum is correct. Okay, children, shall we move on to the second sum? Yes, we'll see the second sum. Okay, second sum we'll see 27. It's very easy, children. It's very easy. 27. So 27 goes in what table, children? Yes, we know 3 9s are 27. 3 9s are 27. So again 3 can be multiplied, but 9 can be multiplied, 3 cannot be multiplied, isn't it? So 9 table goes in 3 3s are 9. So that's all over. Can we multiply again? No, you can't multiply, isn't it? So the answer, the prime factorization of 27 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3. Easy. 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are 27. Okay, children? Yes. Can we go move on to the third sum? Third sum also little easy only. 81. 81. 81 will see 81. Okay. Children, if you when you do it in the notebook, you have to do it neatly, children. No scribbling. No scribbling. Okay, children? Okay. Now 81 goes in what table, children? All of them know 9 9s are 81. By short method also you can do, but if you do like this, it will be easy. 3 into 27. 27 3s are what? 81. And then this one you have to split. 27 goes in. See, easy. The same method what we did the before, isn't it? 9. And then 3 3s are. Okay, children? Yes, see. 3 27s are 91 and 3 9s are 27. 3 27s are 81 and see 3 9s are 27 and 3 3s are 9. So what's the prime factorization, children? The prime factorization is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, children? The prime factorization of 81 is 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. Now we'll see one more sum. 63. Fourth sum 63 we'll see. Okay, 63. This also see very easy sum only. We can say 7 9s are 63 also we can put, but we have to go in detail, isn't it? So what will come, children? 3 into 21. 3 into 21 and then 21 goes in what table, children? 3 into 7. Very easy. 3 into 7. So the prime factorization is 3 into 3 into 7. See, 7 also cannot be multiplied. These are also prime numbers. So what's the answer will come, children? Prime factorization of of 63 is equal to what will come? 3 into 3 into 7. Okay. Otherwise, you can do it like this also. See, like this. What will come? 7 nines are 63. And then you can do like this. 3 threes are 9. So, while you write, what will come? 7 into 3 into 3 will come. Okay, children. But because it's a bigger number. See, here we can write 3 into 3 into 7. From small to big we went, isn't it? So only I did like this. So if you do, this is the correct method. You can do like, you can think, see, this is easy way. Why we can't do like this? You can do. But see, while writing from ascending, we are writing. We can't write 7 into 3 into 3. We can't write. Okay, children. So better you do in this method. Okay. So in this one, I will give homework sum. Homework sum, 2 sum I'll give for homework. One is 49, very easy sum, children. 49 is very easy sum. So, but only few are sending. I don't know why I'm giving homework, but only few are sending me the homework. Wait, I'll find out and I'll give 49 and I will give 72. I'll give 72. So what are the homework sums, children? 49 and 72. 49 and 72. Okay? Yes. Now we'll move on to the C1. C1. See. Yeah, what's the C1, children? Yes. Find the prime factorization of each number by the division method. Here we saw by the factor tree method, and now we are going to see by the division method. We are going to see by the division method. So children, you all should watch the video, otherwise you will get confused, children. So division method C1, first sum we are going to see. First sum 72. 72. Division method means you should not divide like this. See, likewise you should not divide. You have to do like this. In each line you draw like this so that it will be very easy. In one line one number should be there. Okay. 72. Yes, 72. And first number you have to see whether 72 goes in 2 table. From the smaller number only you have to go to the bigger number. First you have to see in 2 table 72 goes. So yes, it goes. So what will come? 2 table you put. So what will come? See, 3, you have to be thorough in tables, otherwise the easy method I will tell you. 3 2s are 6. You see, 7 doesn't goes in 2 table, isn't it? 3 2s are 6. So what you can do, see, you can draw, for your reference you can write like this, and you can put 1 here. So now it becomes 12, isn't it, children? Now 6 2s are 12. 36 2s are 72 it comes. Okay. And now again it goes in 2 tables. So what will come? 1 2 is 2. And see, again remainder, see, 1 2 is 2 and 1 if you put me 16. So what will come? 8 2s are 16. And again it goes in 2 tables. What will go? 9 2s are 18. And 9 goes in 3 tables. 3 3s are 9. Only you have to use the prime factorization numbers. Other number you should not use. So now what's the answer, children? Prime factorization of prime factorization of 72 is equal to what will come, children? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So when you multiply these numbers, the answer 72 it comes. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, and 24 3s are what will come? 4 3s are 12. See, answer correct now? Now this sum is correct. Now this sum is correct. Okay, children, this is how we have to do the sums. If you are not listening, means it will be very hard for you. Okay. Now we'll move on to the second sum. We'll move on to the second sum 96 and 96. See, the same method you are going to do. Yes. Okay, 96, first it goes in two tables, isn't it? So what will come? 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8 and now it becomes 16. So what will come? 8 2s are 16. 8 2s are 16. Again it goes in two table. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Again two table. What will come, children? 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. Again two table. 6 2s are 12. Again two table. 3 2s are 6. See, till the last you can't multiply. You can't, till the last you have to do. So now you can't multiply. So the prime factorization of 96 is what, children? Prime factorization of 96 is equal to what will come, children? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 6, 3. So if you write like this only, the answer is correct. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 and 16 2s are 32 and 32 3s are 96. We did in the first sum, this also, okay. So likewise you have to do after writing. If you multiply like this, the answer, if the answer 96 comes, means the sum is correct. Okay, children, we'll move on to the third sum. Third sum is very easy. 60. Okay, 60. So here yes, 60 is there. So what you can do, children? Yes, it goes in two table. So what will come? 3 2s are 6 and you have to bring down this 0 as it is. Again two table it goes. What will come? 15 2s are 30 and then 15 goes in three tables, isn't it? So what will come? 5 3s are 15. So after 5 you can't multiply. So what's the answer? Prime factorization of prime factorization of 60 is equal to what will come, children? 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So when you multiply, see, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60, 12 5s are 60. Now the answer is correct. Okay, children, now I have taught you 3 sums only and I will give homework, and some of the sums I will be making you to do it in the Zoom class. See, I will be teaching in the Zoom class so that all should be thorough. The rest, some of the sums I will make you to do it in the Zoom class. Okay, 40 and the fifth sum is, those are not sending the homework sums, I am going to make you do it in the Zoom class. All should do this homework. Okay, children? Okay. I think how many sums I gave? Only 4 sums I gave for you homework in the B1, isn't it? In the B1 I gave you 2 sums. In the B1 I gave you 2 sums for 5 and 6, and now I have given 2 sums. So total 4 sums I have given for homework. Okay, children? So children, all of you do this homework and you have to send it to my WhatsApp. So rest of the sums I will teach you in the Zoom classes. I'll make you to do. So you have to be thorough. You have to be thorough in all the sums. Okay, children? Okay, we'll meet in the next class. Take care. Bye.